Have you ever wondered how Netflix somehow knows exactly which movie you'll watch next, even before you do? But wait, what if I told you this isn't magic? This is data science quietly shaping the world around you. Welcome back to Ruby Parker, where learning meets the future. And today, we're diving into a topic that decides what you buy, what you watch, what you study, and sometimes even what you think. This is the world of data science. And trust me, once you understand it, you'll start seeing the world like you've unlocked a secret digital superpower. Let's begin. Imagine for a moment, you're walking into a giant library, not thousands of books, millions, and every second, new books appear out of thin air. But here's the twist. You have to find only the most important sentences hidden somewhere inside. That impossible task is exactly what data scientists do every single day. Data science is the art and science of extracting meaning from data, massive, chaotic, never-ending data, and using it to predict the future, make decisions, and solve problems humans alone could never solve. And it's everywhere. Yes, everywhere. From Instagram Reels to weather forecasts, from medical diagnosis to self-driving cars, data science is silently controlling half the world around you. But what exactly is data, and why is it so powerful? Well, take your phone. Right now, this tiny device is collecting more data than entire universities collected 20 years ago. Your taps, your swipes, your searches, your voice, your photos, everything forms an invisible trail of information. And data science transforms that trail into knowledge. It's like taking random puzzle pieces, scattered all over the floor, and assembling them into a clear picture, sometimes even before the pieces are fully created. Let me ask you, have you ever seen your YouTube recommended videos suddenly become too accurate? Almost creepy accurate? That's data science. Ever wondered how Google Maps knows traffic jams before they happen? That's data science. Ever received a message from your bank warning you about a suspicious transaction even before you notice it? Again, data science. In simple words, data science is the digital brain that learns from information. Now, let's go deeper. Data science has three major superpowers: analyzing the past, understanding the present, and predicting the future. And prediction? Oh, prediction. That's where the real magic happens. Imagine predicting whether a patient might get a disease months before symptoms appear. Imagine predicting how much rainfall a city will get, days before clouds even show up. Imagine predicting which music you'll love, even if you've never heard it before. That's the future. And data science is building it. But how does it work behind the scenes? Let's break it down in the simplest way possible, like you and I are sitting at a cafe and I'm drawing this out on a tissue. Step 1. Collect the data, tons of it. Gigabytes, terabytes, sometimes petabytes. Every click, every sensor reading, every purchase, every heartbeat. Step 2, clean the data. Because trust me, raw data is messy. It's like getting a box of Lego pieces mixed with dust, wrappers, and random broken parts. Data scientists clean, fix, and prepare it. Step 3, analyze the data. They look for patterns, trends, relationships, like detectives searching for clues in a mystery. Step 4, build models. These are mathematical engines that learn patterns from data, not just remember, learn. And step 5, use the model to predict what will happen next. And let me tell you, these predictions can be shockingly accurate. But here comes the plot twist. Data science is not just maths, it's not just coding, it's a blend. Part detective work, part engineering, part psychology, and part magic. It's the bridge between numbers and decisions. It's where logic meets creativity. And this is why data scientists are among the highest paid professionals in the world today, because they don't just understand data, they understand the world. Let me give you a real story. A few years ago, Target, the American supermarket, figured out a girl was pregnant before even her father knew. How? Just by analyzing shopping patterns. That's how powerful data science can be. Creepy? Maybe. Impressive? Absolutely. And it gets even crazier. Did you know your fitness tracker can predict when you're stressed, even if you feel fine? Did you know airlines use data science to predict which passengers might cancel flights? Did you know sports teams use data science to choose players, create strategies, and even time substitutions? This is the invisible force shaping decisions everywhere. Now let's talk about tools. What do data scientists actually use? They use programming languages like Python and R. They use libraries like Pandas, NumPy, TensorFlow, Scikit-learn. They use visualization tools to turn numbers into stories. Because remember, a data scientist isn't just someone who crunches numbers. They tell stories from numbers. And story is everything. Here's a fun question. What do Netflix, Amazon, Spotify, Google, Uber, and Facebook all have in common? Data science is their beating heart. Without it, they collapse. And now the million-dollar question. Why should you care? Well, let me blow your mind. In the next decade, 90% of jobs will depend on understanding data. Every industry, from farming to finance, from teaching to shopping, is shifting toward a data-driven world. If you understand data science, you don't just learn a skill, you learn the language of the future, a language spoken by machines, apps, businesses, and soon everything around you. And here's the best part. You don't have to be a genius to start. You don't need complex maths. You don't need a PhD. You only need curiosity. Because data science is simply this: asking better questions to get smarter answers. And the more you learn, the more powerful your decisions become. So the next time you watch a recommended video, or your phone unlocks with your face, or your maps tell you a faster route, remember, behind every moment, behind every click, there's a data scientist quietly shaping your experience. And maybe, someday, that data scientist could be you. Because the world will always need more thinkers, more problem solvers, more heroes who understand the language of data. And if you stay curious, stay hungry, and keep learning, you can master it. All right, future innovators, that's a wrap for today's journey into data science. If this video opened your mind, amazed you, or taught you something new, then smash that like button, drop your questions in the comments, and subscribe to Ruby Parker for more videos where education meets excitement. This is Ruby Parker, signing off. Stay curious, stay futuristic, and I'll see you in the next one.